Hello, and here's Lindsay Upton, the quilt quine, with another little puzzle. So this quite nice star pantograph, I would like to join it onto this corner. But as you can see, it's not going to look too great because it's not got an up and a down. No matter how many additional pieces of the pattern we put on, we've still got two downward swoops that just don't join up nicely. So how do you get round that? Well, here's a suggestion. So I took the motif, the original motif, whoops, like that, and I decided that I would have to cut it in half so that I only had the left hand half, so I could slot that in and join it to this corner nicely. So to cut it in half, I have to go into Art and Stitch. There we are. It's a bit big at the moment, so I'll just move the navigation window out of the way. Well, now, okay, so it's nice and big, so I can see what I'm doing. There is a box around it, so that means I can do things to this pattern. First thing to do is going to be to put this back into artwork. Then I'm going to go to the reshape tool, and it's going to show me all the nodes on the original digital pattern. Right, I've got to split this pattern so that I can only get this one half. So let's have a go. I'm going to click this node here with my right hand mouse button, and I'm going to try splitting the line. Right, as you can see, I've now got this pink section and this black section. What I would like to do, oops, is, hang on, I want to select and get rid of the right-hand section. So I've got a box up, hoping that if I click the right-hand button and delete, I am actually left with just the right-hand portion of the design, which has the upper curve like that. Okay. So I am going to give that some stitches. I'm going to send it to the Qmatic. I better give it a name, which will be a half star or something. I just ignore the message about the hoop size because it's not an embroidery machine. Let's see, there we go. We've got a half star, which is perfect. So I am going to just resize that to match the size that I've chosen for the other stars. Now the other stars are 10 inches as a pair. So I guess I want this half star to be something like 5 inches, because it's half the size. Okay, there we are. So I've now got a row of stars. I've got this individual half star and I've got my corner. Let's see if we can get them all to connect up together like so. So connect, attach. This one's red. I want it to attach to that one and that one. And I think that looks great. They're now a complete unit, so I can edit the size. That's and I can get rid of this one. There we go. If I wanted to save that half star that I found, this one, at this stage, I would have it red just on its own. I would go File, and I would save that design file so I could find it again another time. Okie dokie.